Hello everyone, I'm CryptoNobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with VeChain. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know down below what price do you think VeChain will be by the end of 2021. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, the market is still looking incredibly strong. We are seeing some very good price action. XRP is down 17% because of the Coinbase news, but does that mean another correction is coming for the rest of the market? If there is, you know that the best times to buy are the corrections. Bitcoin is currently at $26,779, Ethereum is at $720, XRP is down to 23 cents, Litecoin is at $128, Cardano is up to 18 cents, Polkadot is up to $6.53, and Chainlink is at $12.38. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with VeChain, so let's start off with its price. VeChain is currently at 2 cents, it is up 30% over the last 7 days, it is up 33% over the last 30 days, it is up 55% over the last 90 days, and it is up 263% over the past year. If I show its chart on the 30 day, as you can see here, not much action happening at all for VeChain. We ended up having a lot of sideways action and then breaking towards the downside, but I'm pretty sure majority of the market ended up doing that. We then ended up bottoming at around 1.3 cents, and now we are in a very bullish direction at 2 cents. If I show you its chart on the 12 month, as you can see here, VeChain at the lowest it wasn't even 1 cent, and since then we have been in a very bullish direction. We had 2 very nice runs and we've had 2 very nice corrections as well. Those were the best times to buy, and as you can see now, going into 2021, VeChain is looking incredibly bullish. We're now going to jump into the first piece of news to do with VeChain. And this article says VeChain becomes the first 5-star rated blockchain service provider in the world, certified by Tufts Island, a re-owned institution accredited by national governments. And it says down here, Tufts Island certification has issued VeChain with the world's first 5-star rated blockchain service certificate. Their certification acknowledges the readiness and maturity of VeChain's blockchain technology, raising the profile and the prestige of the network and certifying it as one of the most preeminent frontrunners in the enterprise-level blockchain space. As a re-owned European certification body, Tufts Island is accredited by DAX, the national accreditation body for the Federal Republic of Germany. Tufts Island's blockchain service certification methodology is based on established blockchain service evaluation standards and industry-leading expertise and experience within Tufts Island. This evaluation model and system is held in such a high regard that their blockchain certification model has been authorized for the use and certification of Accreditation Administration of the People's Republic of China, CNCA, in China. VeChain, certified top class by re-owned institutions accredited by national governments. The methodology applied by Tufts Island Shanghai included conducting strict audits around blockchain-based services as provided by VeChain, assessing elements such as technical scalability, network reliability, and practicality of application. In response to the strict requirements set forth by the body, VeChain had to demonstrate its regulatory abidance across jurisdictions and provide detailed reporting, sharing insights about blockchain services, industrial blockchain applications, technical documents, business development plans, delivery of technology services, acceptance records, and more. With technical strength and market-proven blockchain use cases, VeChain has been certified as one of the only approved 5-star blockchain service providers under Tufts Island's notation. VeChain recognition needs to increase competitive advantage. This certification uniquely positions VeChain's blockchain technology in the enterprise and business world, in an industry where enterprises are hesitant to adopt emergent technology and look to the leaders in the space to work with. This certification helps leapfrog competitors, a tangible advantage when compared to other blockchain platforms. Ultimately, as we gathered more recognition and trust, the VeChain ecosystem will flourish even further, leading to greater usage, more deeply ingrained partnerships, and directly contributing to the value creation within the blockchain ecosystem. So overall, this is really good news for VeChain. They are currently making history. They are doing really big things across China, America, and Europe, so overall they are growing at an incredible pace. We haven't seen much price action happening with VeChain over the past few months, but is 2021 a sign of things to come? I want to know down below, are you bullish or bearish on VeChain going into next year? This is the next article I want to show you, and it says VeChain enters partnership with Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology. VeChain will work with researchers from academic institutions to promote blockchain and crypto adoption. Our MIT Blockchain Innovation Hub team will create a framework to accelerate implementation of blockchain governance consensus. In a press release, the VeChain Foundation has announced its participation in the RMIT Blockchain Innovation Hub, created by the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology (RMIT). The initiative is part of an interdisciplinary team of researchers from owned entities. The team seeks to provide a deep understanding of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, business strategies, regulations, governance, political, social and healthcare, among other areas. In doing so, the RMIT Blockchain Innovation Hub will drive the adoption of this new asset class by identifying challenges that must be overcome to accelerate the economic revolution, as the press release claims. VeChain drives crypto adoption and blockchain technology. The RMIT is one of the most prestigious academic institutions in Australia and number 10 in the Times Higher Education Global Ranking. The initiative will involve scientists and researchers from the ARC, Centre of Automated Decision Making and Society, the Australian Journal of Politics Science, and others. They will work with VeChain's chief scientist. The team will enhance current studies related to the blockchain governance models. Thus, they are proposed to accelerate the standardization of blockchain governance consensus. Their first task will be to create a framework for comparing such governance models specifically in public blockchain, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. VeChain's chief scientist said the following about the initiative. Blockchain governance plays a vital role in growing a healthy and sustainable blockchain ecosystem. This research collaboration is going to answer some of the most important and fundamental questions about blockchain governance and will contribute to long-term growth of VeChain's ecosystem and to achieving our goal of mass adoption. So overall, things are looking incredibly strong for VeChain and quite a lot of other cryptocurrencies going into 2021. We are seeing a complete shift of money to cryptocurrency. We are seeing the biggest companies, the biggest names, and some of the biggest institutions in the world coming to cryptocurrency, and there is still a tremendous amount to look forward to. I want to know down below, what is your number one cryptocurrency pick? This is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at our price analysis, and this one says Thornton, Cyprus becomes an authority masternode on the VeChain 4 public blockchain. With the aim of providing a secure and growing blockchain ecosystem, the VeChain Foundation has always been dedicated in bringing in impactful stakeholders to the ecosystem and rallying partners globally around the common goal of solving business problems through the use of blockchain technology. Thornton, Cyprus, one of the largest business advisory firms in Cyprus and member firm of Thornton's sprawling business network present in over 140 countries, has formally announced it has become one of the 101 authority masternodes for the VeChain 4 blockchain. Earlier this year, VeChain and Thornton, Cyprus announced an official partnership with the joint intent of providing and expanding services related to implementation of blockchain solutions for both local and foreign businesses. Proof of authority, securing blockchain with re-owned trust providers. On December 15, 2020, Thornton, Cyprus decided to come forward and announce itself as one of the VeChain 4 authority masternodes, helping form part of a critical backbone of VeChain's architecture, lending an even greater authority of the significance and the weight of the VeChain 4 blockchain. Their joining of the program is a tacit recognition of both legitimacy of the project, the strength of its network and its future, as well now actively continuing to dynamic growth of VeChain's ecosystem as a whole. To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a price analysis, and this one says VeChain price breaks out and targets a 43% surge towards 2.6 cents. It seems that the VeChain price broke out of an ascending triangle pattern on the 12-hour chart. The long-term price target for the bulls is located at 2.6 cents. VeChain was trading inside a long-term ascending triangle pattern on the 12-hour chart, from which it has broken out and now aims to hit a new 2020 high at 2.6 cents. The digital asset faces very little resistance to the upside. VeChain price looks strong and poised for a run to 2.6 cents. On the 12-hour chart, VeChain bulls were able to push the digital asset above the ascending triangle pattern, cracking the key resistance level at 1.8 cents decisively, with the VeChain price hitting 1.9 cents, and since then we have seen its price go to over 2 cents. And if I show you this chart here, I personally think we are in a bullish motion with VeChain at the moment. We are above the key levels and we are staying in that bullish motion for the moment. I do think for VeChain to be in a neutral position, I think we would have to fall below 1.5 cents. I think there it is very good buying opportunities all round, especially if you are holding for the long term. And I think for VeChain to be in a bearish scenario, we would have to fall below 1.25 cents, as that is another key resistance level fall, and as you can see here, we did fall around here not long ago, and it ended up getting bought up very quickly, and since then we have been in a very bullish motion going into 2021. A lot of people are incredibly bullish on VeChain, and so am I. I personally think the future is incredibly bright. They have done a lot of growth over this past year, and they have done tremendous price action. As I keep saying in every single one of my videos, the real fun is going to begin in 2021, and that is when the party is going to get started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have 2 memberships at the moment. We have the Little Supporter membership, where you can support me making more videos for you guys, and you'll be entered into monthly giveaways. We also have here the Diamond membership, where if you need any help at all with your cryptocurrency, whether you're new, just getting started, or you're struggling, I can help you to the best of my ability that you need, as well as 24/7 support and a personal thank you on my YouTube channel. Our aim is to try and build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it does really help my channel grow. Let's see if we can smash this video over 300 likes, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Noobs. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.